Hello students, this is a very interesting question you can expect in section C or D, but here little bit tough question compared to previous questions. Here the given condition is a plus b equal to 10 and ab equal to 16, sum and product is given, but question is find the value of a square minus ab plus b square. The given data is a plus b, that is sum and product. So whatever the given expression, convert in terms of what? A plus b. So but here minus sign is there. So rewriting this, a square plus b square minus ab. For a plus b you need 2ab, add and subtract 2ab. So which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 2ab minus ab. Add and subtract. Now this is one group, clear? Now what is the value becomes? A plus b the whole square minus 2ab minus ab minus 3ab, which now this is the final form. How to decide whether it is a final form? Because it has sum and product. Okay. Now a plus b is 10 square minus 3 into 16. This is 100 minus 48. The value is 52. Clear? Very simple. A square plus b square, we need 2ab. So write this minus ab separately, add and subtract 2ab. So 2ab plus a square plus b square is a plus b the whole square, and add these two, group these two terms, minus ab minus 2ab is minus 3ab. This expression contains sum and product, you can, and hence that is the simplest form, you can substitute the values there. Okay. Similarly, one more subdivision is there, a square plus ab plus b square, so which is equal to a square plus ab plus b square. Plus sign is there, that is one big advantage, but we need 2ab. What is the formula here? A square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b the whole square, but 2ab, but here only one ab is there, so we need one more ab. Add and subtract ab. So what is the value becomes? A square plus ab plus b square plus ab minus ab. This is one group. Add and subtract. So which is equal to a square, if you group these two, plus 2ab plus b square minus ab. Clear? Now this is nothing but a plus b the whole square minus ab. Clear? Now what is a plus b? A plus b is 10 and ab is 16. So 10 square minus 16, 100 minus 16, which is equal to 84. These two steps are very important. So think about here, if it is plus sign, okay, we need two, but here only one is there, and hence add and subtract 1 times ab. So ab plus ab 2ab, we can convert into a plus b whole square. So one of the very important you can expect in section C or D. Thank you.